Definition of algebraic expression. In previous part, we discussed how to factorize two-member expression and three-member expression. Here we have four-member expression. That means here we have ax plus ay plus 3x plus 3y. No, that's what we have. So here, let's check if there is any common factors belong to all these values. So here ax, ay, 3x, 3y. There is no any common factor belong to all these four components. No? So we are going to split them as two pairs. Okay, we are going to split them as two pairs. Think about it. In these two, when we select these two, both of these are having a as a common factor. Both of these are having a as a common factor. So let's factorize these two. First two participants of this algebraic expression separately. So here, when you select a as a common factor, thereafter what would be the remaining? X plus 5, x plus y. Thereafter, here also we have another one. Okay, we have another pair with 3 as a common factor, positive 3. When you select from these two, when you select 3 as a common factor, we have x plus y. Okay, x plus y. I'll recall it again, but we cannot select, there is no any common factor for all these four values. So that's why we separated them as two pairs. So the initial two, a is the common factor. After factorization, it would be like this: a times x plus 1. In these two also, 3 is the common factor. Then finally, 3 plus x, 3 times x plus 1. Then finally, yes, inside the bracket, here you can see inside the bracket, you should have same value. If not, your factorization was wrong. In both of these brackets, when we have same values, the factorization is correct. If not, the factorization was wrong. So after this, both are having same factors. Now think about it. Inside the brackets, we have x plus y. Let's write that one as common one. Then think about their multiplication pair. Okay, multiplication pair. Those are located outside these brackets. A plus 3. A plus 3. This is the factorization you should follow while dealing with four variables. Okay, four variables. First of all, these two and these two. Factorization was done. Then it's easy. Both brackets are having same value. Write that same value here. Outside the brackets, we have two more values. So those are two more factors, a plus c. That's all for this question. Let's try another one. Here we will have b square plus 7b 5b minus 35. Okay, this is what we have. So from when we select all these, okay, when you select all these values, there is no common factors. No, here we are not going to do addition or subtraction, just only factorization. Keep it on mind. So don't add or subtract them to and write it as positive to b. Don't do like that. Here we are doing the factorization. Common factor. So from these two, we can select b as a common factor. B as a common factor. Thereafter b, b can divide by b plus 7b divided by 7. Then in these two, look at the direction. Okay, look at the direction. This is negative 5 and this is negative 35. So both are negative. Both are negative. So you can select negative 5 as a common factor. Okay, negative 5 as a common factor. Then negative 5b divided by negative 5b. Okay, now think about it. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Negative divided by negative. Okay, negative divided by negative is positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. I'll repeat it. From these two, b is the common one we can select. Thereafter b plus 7 inside the bracket. In these two, think about the third member. This is a negative value. So from the second one also we can select negative as the common factor. No? So negative 5 is the one you should select. 5 is the factor, negative is the common direction belongs to both of them. That's why we selected negative 5. Negative 5b divided by negative 5, that is you b. Then negative 35. 35 divided by 7 is 5 is 7. Negative divided by negative, it would be positive. Now also look at the inside the brackets, we have same values. Previously, I told you that inside the brackets, when you have different values, your factorization was wrong. Here, our factorization is correct. Now, b plus 7, that's a factor. Then outside the brackets, we have two more values. Those are b minus 5. That's all for this binomial factorization. Okay, binomial factorization. For the first question, in these two, we can select A. So x plus 8 is the remaining one. In second pair, 5 is the common factor. Then x plus x. Since both of these brackets are having same value, answer would be x plus 8 into a plus 5. Then the second one. In the second one, in these two, let's select 5. 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 plus x. In these two, negative and y. Negative y. So negative y divided by negative y. Y. Negative divided by negative is positive x. So 1 plus x into 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. In the third one, in these two, a is the possible one. Is to a minus 8. And second pair, 2. A minus 8. 12. A minus 8 into a plus 2. That's the bracket. For the last one, in these two, let's select a, x minus 1. Okay, here we cannot select anything because nothing here. Okay, no, nothing common between negative x and 1. So in this case, you should select 1. So in any instance, there is no any common numbers or unknown constants is possible to take them as common factors. You can select 1. Okay, here the direction is negative, so I'll select negative 1. Negative 1. So here divided by negative it's positive. X divided by 1 it's x. X divided by 1 is x. Positive divided by negative it's negative. 1 divided by 1 it's 1. So finally, it would be x minus 1 into a minus 1. That's the final algebraic factorization.